one of the best instruments you can ever play is the guitar. And if you have a complete control, authority, command over what you play the best, you feel so happy, so excited. Yes, many of you will testify to the fact that if there is a guitar in a song, it changes the whole sound into something else. That is the truth. This is one of the most important lessons a guitarist must take serious. I'm going to give you 3 beautiful licks I wish I knew at the initial stages of studies. It doesn't matter what genre you are trying to play, these licks are very important. And these are licks I wish every student of the guitar learn. Every guitar, it's a quick one, I'm not going to waste time. Assuming I'm in the key of D. This is do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Alright. There's another D here. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Alright. There's another D here. But I'm going to be within this shape of a D, whose roots start from the 5th. Now, I'm going to ask you to first of all learn these licks before I show you how to apply them. What do I mean? The first is this. It's a pentatonic run, but not all of the notes are played. So take your time. They have the same shape. Look. So, do, re, mi. As simple as that. The first one. So, do, re, mi. But I slide from a re to a mi. So, do. Then I do the same thing starting from the 4th and the 3rd. So, do. And I repeat it on the 2nd and 1st. And the shapes are the same. Look at it. So simple, right? Okay. I do that when I'm in this shape or this shape because both have the same roots. So you can play the chord before the lick. The relative minor of key D will be a B minor, so I'm here. So I play the B minor chord and here will be the 2nd lick. The notes are, you start from the root, the top of it. Mi, la, ti, do. Then on the 4th and 3rd, you do the same thing. Mi, la, ti, do. Then on the 2nd and 1st, mi, la, ti, do. That brings you to this shape of a D. And then you can go up with a pentatonic scale from here. You have to always remember the notes. Mi, la, ti, do. You always slide from a T to a do. So, slowly it becomes mi, la, ti, do. Mi, la, ti, do. Mi, la, ti, do. Ti, la, so, mi, re, do, la. And now, our 3rd shape. When I'm on chord 4, which is a G, then I will do this. I'll start from the root of the chord on the 6th string. With this one, you should start counting like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you start from the 4th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And from the 2nd, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do, re, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, la, do. Do, re, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, la. Then you can go do. Slowly, the third shape will be this. Then you see, this is also simple. So now, how do we apply them? How do we use them? Let's take a simple song like Amazing grace, how sweet the sound. Once I'm on one, I don't have to think. I have to start from the fifth note and then run the scale straight away. So is that not beautiful? Amazing grace. I can do the same thing. Sing grace. Amen. I'm on one. Sing grace. I can go to a mi or on three. And on the three, the one, the six have some notes in common. So I can still use the same thing. Amen. Or amazing grace. Yeah, on the mi, so I can start from the mi here using that second shape. Amazing grace, how sweet. On 4, I'm going to use the 4 scale. The sound. Are you following me? That's it. On the chord 6, then that's beautiful. I use the second leg, starting from the second fret position. A red like me. On 5, I use the same leg as I used on 4. This is it. Let's take it again. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. You see, this is how we apply it. Whenever we are on 1, you start from the 5th note, the so, and then run it. When we go to 2, when the chord is changing to even 2, the shape is the same as on the 6th. So you can apply the same chord 2 lick. When it goes to 3, here, this same shape, you can apply the same lick of 2. When it goes to 4, then you apply the 3rd lick. The 4 and then the 2nd minor are used sometimes interchangeably. So instead of the same one, someone can place it. If I'm thinking in E minor, then I can use the minor lick. And when I'm on 5, it's so simple. I use the same lick as I use on 4. This is so beautiful and simple. I'm Pastor George Mensah. In case you haven't subscribed to my channel, hey, what are you waiting for? Please do. And if you are looking for a one-on-one Zoom lesson with a maestro, hey, where else would you want to look? Pick the numbers on the screen and let's do it. Subscribe to our channel, press the notification bell so in case we upload any new video, you don't miss it. Please like it, leave your comments, share and describe our page to others. This is the most important channel every guitarist must subscribe to. See you again and soon. Bye-bye.